Hey everyone, it's Sabrina. I have a special surprise. Instead of a October daily afternoon video, we're gonna do December daily, and I'm so excited. I can't believe I'm sharing my first December daily video in October. It feels a little weird, but I'm very excited, and I'm also very thankful to be on the first December daily creative team. So very excited to be a part of that and to design with all the amazing goodies for December daily. Okay, this is gonna be a quick process video to show you how I put together this simple cover, and let's get started. Okay, so this is the pile of what I started with. I wanted to do 2021. 21 is going to be on a veneer, and then 20 will use these chipboard alphabet stickers. And they are the fancy kind of chipboard stickers where once you stick them down, they're stuck. So if you want to move them, you're going to peel up a layer and you're going to have to use some glue to adhere it back down. That was kind of my problem, but at least now you guys know and won't do what I did. So these are great quality stickers, and once they're down, they are down. So I have 20 spelled out with the letters. I also did check and make sure that the transparency doesn't have any film behind it, and it doesn't. For the 21, I put some red line tape, and then I'll put it right below the 20. So I have a fun, unique way to write out the year, which is 2021, right? And then when I saw this speech bubble paper and this transparency together, I was like, that works, and that is an awesome idea to start off my album. So I picked a few of them that I can cut out. I picked Send Joy, Beauty in the Mundane, This Tradition Has My Heart, 25 Stories, and then Love This. The Love This, I figured that could go right above the 20, and it'll make a really nice way to kind of focus on the year. And Beauty in the Mundane, you guys know I'm always choosing joy and finding joy, and so that works perfect for me. And I'm big on traditions and repeating stories throughout the years and documenting how stories and traditions change. So that one was really perfect for me. 25 stories, obviously I only go to the 25th. I think we can all agree most of us are a little tired by the time we get to 25, but 25 stories. I also found these beautiful painted wood houses. So I looked at those and I decided that I wanted to use two of them. I'm going to use a blue one because there's blue in the kit, in the add-ons and also the kit. So I'm going to use some blue this year, and I'll have some fun using blue. Right below the 21, I have a bigger red and gray house, and then I'm just adhering everything down, and that's about it for this page. I just need to add some more chipboard stars, and then I'll be done. I wanted to add just a few more for another texture and a little more dimension, and also just to keep your eye moving around the page. And then, like I said, it's done, and I love this beautiful page. It was very simple to put together, and I hope you guys are inspired by my little idea for this cover. So a few chipboard stars by the 20, and then the blue house, and I put one on the 25 stories. So there you go, you guys. I'm going to put it in the album, and I am already started for this season. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Okay, so I took out all the page protectors and I put in my reason why, and I have a start to my album. Again, can't believe it's October and I have a start to my album, but I'm so excited. This is a very simple way to get your album started, just using the transparency, a piece of paper, and a few little embellishments. So 2021, and then behind my cover I usually put either my reason why or a photo of my decor box, but I already had my reason why, so I decided to put that there. And I did something different for my reason why with a kind of photo strip down at the bottom of past years, and I absolutely love it. Spent so much time looking for all these photos, and I mean, they're just precious photos of my kids through the years. My daughter, she's 8, and this is her as a baby, so she was probably only 4 months old. So I think this is a great way to kind of look back on the different seasons and how some things change and some things stay the same. I'm glad that you're here, and I hope you enjoyed this process video. I would love a thumbs up, or if you want to keep seeing my videos, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye.